The rules could soon change for the vaping industry in Indiana. Senate Republicans pledged to scale back regulations for the manufacturers of e-liquids. Regulations, some argue, nearly nudged 24 small businesses out of the industry. RTV6 State House reporter Katie Hines explains.
Here at Just Vapor in Fishers, there is cautious optimism about this new proposal at the State House and the impact it could have on the industry. Mason Odell owns the e-cigarette shop. More than 2 years ago, when business was good, he decided to invest $100,000 in a second facility to create the liquids for the devices himself.
We thought it would be best case scenario for us.
But Odell never opened his doors. He couldn't meet the security requirements, and he says nearly 24 others have moved out of state. A new state law that took effect in July has been challenged in federal court, argued it's so narrowly written that only one company can handle required security for e-liquid manufacturing facilities and choose which companies it contracts with. Senate Republicans say that wasn't the intent, and they want to change it.
We need to open this up because we don't want these regulations to be a barrier to entrepreneurs or businesses or employment.
Sugar Creek Bottling Company is one of about a half-dozen e-liquid manufacturers in the state. Owner Randy Burchett says he welcomes the competition. He says he doesn't anticipate anything different here with changes in state law on the horizon.
As far as how it impacted us, it gave us another person validating what we're doing, making sure that we're doing things properly. It gave us the ability to push ourselves into batching and watching our batch numbers.
Odell says he won't be trying for another permit to manufacture, but thinks others will.
I personally, I got burned on it. I'm not going to go back down that route. But I'm hopeful that other individuals will continue to bring their business back.
Senate President Pro Tem David Long says he expects lawmakers to resolve the issue this session. Katie Hines, RTV6.
In a statement, the owner of Malps says any changes to state vaping laws should not put consumers' safety at risk. New federal regulations will also play a role. They require new e-liquid manufacturers to submit comprehensive applications, which can cost on average between $100,000 and $400,000.